Jesus, help me. In every need, let me come to you with humble trust.
Jesus, help me.
In all my doubts, perplexities, and temptations,
Jesus, help me.
in hours of loneliness, weariness, and trials,
Jesus, help me.
in failure of my plans and hopes, in disappointments and sorrows,
Jesus, help me.
when others fail me, and your grace alone can assist me.
Jesus, help me.
When I throw myself on your tender love as a Father and Savior,
Jesus, help me.
when my heart is cast down by failure at seeing no good come from efforts,
Jesus, help me.
when I feel impatient and my cross irritates me,
Jesus, help me.
when I am ill and my head and hands cannot work and I am lonely,
Jesus, help me.
always, always, in spite of weakness, faults, and shortcomings of every kind,
Jesus, help me and never forsake me.